This is a simple breakaway force problem where I want to compute how hard do I have to pull horizontally on this box to break it loose. It has a static friction coefficient of 0.6. So let's get some other vectors into this analysis. I have gravity pulling down with a force of mg. I can put a number on that real quick. 10 times 9.8 is 98 newtons. I have a normal force pushing it up to keep the box from squishing through the floor. And there's no acceleration going on vertically. There's no other forces tampering with the vertical direction. So the normal force is just 98 newtons balancing the weight. And then the reason this block isn't moving yet is because the static friction force is opposing the applied force. All right, and then what we have to get in here physically is that we're right at the threshold of the static friction force giving up. So the static friction force is at its maximum value at the moment of interest, and that's given by mu s times the normal force. Okay, so in my x analysis, I can say that the breakaway force that happens when you reach your maximum static friction force and that's mu s times the normal force, and that's 0.6 times 98 newtons, and my breakaway force comes out to 58.8 newtons.